If apps are not downloading from App Store on your MacBook Neo stuck on a spinning wheel, you are either getting a download failed error or the install or get button is grayed out and not clickable. Here's how to quickly fix it step by step. First, click on the Apple logo at the top left of your screen. Then go to Force Quit. Select the App Store along with any related windows and click Force Quit. Now relaunch the App Store and try downloading again. If it's still not working, the issue is often related to your internet connection. Turn your Wi-Fi off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. If possible, restart your router as well. Also, if you're using a VPN, turn it off. VPNs can sometimes interfere with App Store downloads. Next, go to System Settings. Sign out of your Apple ID, and then sign back in again. This can refresh your account and fix download issues. If the problem happens while installing paid apps, open the App Store and click on your account name. Check your payment and billing information and make sure everything is valid and up to date. Now, if the install or get button is grayed out or not clickable, go to System Settings, scroll down to Screen Time, and open Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then go to Store Restrictions and make sure everything is set to Allowed. Also, ensure the last few options are turned on, especially if you're trying to install iOS apps on your Mac. Finally, check for any pending software updates. Go to System Settings, then General, and click on Software Update. If an update is available, install it. And that's it. These steps should fix App Store download issues on your MacBook Neo. Be with Fix369 for more tech tips.